we got here, people? What do we got? We got a little comeback. We're coming up. I'm up 3.6 today, people. And for the love of God, that is a blessing. But we have Terrawolf. I'm liking Terrawolf, people. I'm liking a lot. I mean, if we're on a little come up, let's see what happens with Terrawolf. I don't know. Because we could be tricky next week, too. I'm going to wait on this because, as we can see, people, everything can go lower. But wait a minute. Okay, my focus are biotechs here, people. Oh, wait, this one, too. I really like this, guys. CCX. And just so we know, this is going to be this Infleqtion, okay? So CCX is going to be a SPAC merger. And just yesterday, Infleqtion, that's who this is. Why am I not following Infleqtion? I thought I was. But anyways, they're going to have Infleqtion. 2 years ago today, U.S. Department of Energy launched the quantum and space collaboration. So, unlike our GTI, Infleqtion's in this space government thing. It talks about it in this. Their Department of Defense collaboration. People, that's a big deal. That was yesterday, okay? November 13th. So, CCX is a little quantum when I'm watching. Other stuff I'm watching, people. Wait a minute. Do you know what did not do me dirty at all? AXTI. I love AXTI. I'm in love with AXTI. I know people say don't fall in love with your stock, but look at that chart and tell me you're not in love. Well, you would have to be holding. But I'm waiting for AXTI to take a tumble down like everything does. AXTI semiconductor play, AIP semiconductor play did real nice during all this. Well, dude, yeah, I almost say yes. Like, we want to look for things that did not horribly fuck us during this downtrod. And AXTI, RDRS, Terrawolf did go down, but I'm confident in these guys. I don't know about the CCX thing. I haven't been in this one too long. MBIS, I'd like to go back up for sure. Fucked up on that one because I'm an idiot. I often am. I bet I'm assuming MBIS goes up. That's another one that I got into during this downturn that I'm confident on. Let's see what our baby NUII is doing. NUII doing a little turnaround. Remember, no revenue, people. No revenue for a company like NUII, so we want to be careful. Careful as careful does. And I might even say, on the internet, I'm seeing all sorts of stuff about biotechs doing this, biotechs doing that. I want to die. And then, wait a minute. Humasite, what did they say today? They had something as well. They won an award. They won a goddamn award, people. For Innovation of the Year, Biotech of the Year. I don't know. Clearly, it doesn't matter. Clearly. Well, I don't know. Maybe it mattered a little bit. They went up. Excited to share that Symvess, a cellular tissue engineered vessel, has selected at Biotech Breakthrough Med Tech Innovation of the Year. That must be a mistake, I hope. They can't be. This can't be who that is. I don't even know. Fucking Humasite. I can't. But you know what? You know what? If I'm right about Humasite, which I do indeed believe I am, and I mean, everybody knows. Almost everybody will know. You got Tra Pharma. Look what these fucks did. Tra's Pharma comes out. Q3 earnings yesterday. People missed it. Top line phase 2 data for their ritonavir-free MPO inhibitor and Paxlovid. Oh, this one's for people that can't take Paxlovid. And we already know Kennedy hates Pfizer, so I think Traz has a lot. They have an opportunity. Of course, they're not approved, people. They're not approved. Acquired an antiviral patent for assets, $2.6 million. R&D expense down. They're a swing, I would say. Any of these biotechs, people, that is not FDA approved, we can't fall in love with them. Let's learn some lessons here, people. And I'm talking directly to myself. But I think TNXV could definitely be interesting. And watch phase 2 top line results. Year end, progress on the IND filing. When they do the IND filing, that'll be big. BARDA discussions. If they can get some BARDA money, which I think is very possible, because one of the reasons I'm watching this Tra Pharma is because I do think Kennedy likes them. And they're antiviral focused, because Kennedy doesn't like vaccines. He likes antivirals. I don't know why. And then my other baby MBOT. Let's fucking go, MBOT, finally. These motherfuckers. Let's see what their earnings was like. Didn't have the earnings. It's looking as though November 24th could be the day, but they haven't announced anything yet. So we're not sure about MBOT, but I'm confident in MBOT with their Liberty system. It's going to be a device one. You know another one I'm confident on? that had earnings that didn't do well. Hyperfine. Actually, Hyperfine going up. Maybe, I don't know if we just have a, I hope this isn't a dead cat bounce, people, but it quite possibly could. So anything that's up, I might just say goodbye. See you later. This Q3 loss, Tom's revenue estimate. Hyperfine selling the, whatchamacallit. And they have this their swoop systems. They have an MRI machine, and you have Hyperfine's performance was driven by the recent launch of its next generation swoop system and Opti AI software. So these rollouts with these biotech devices are just long, people. You got Hyper, you got MBot, you got BeFly. That's another little one that I think can do something. So those would be the biotechs. And then last but not least, what's BeFly at? BeFly. BeFly has every opportunity to get to fucking $4. That's what they were at before all this deep sea jargon nonsense. They're sitting right up there, people, right up there at $4.90. I think BeFly has potential. I think we'll start seeing some partnership that with other companies for like Butterfly, Hyper, maybe big hospital networks. And then let us not forget HIMSS yesterday announced HIMSS, Andrew Dunham, CEO of HIMSS, comes out and says that their market now is every American with their lab testing. Every person can be getting their lab testing now from HIMSS, okay? Wait a minute. This one, co-founder, company partner with HIMSS to launch oral testosterone. That was something else. We have Tech Hedge Fund, buys 319 shares. Now partner with Klarna per Truist Klarna payment. Oh my God. That is interesting, because now people can get their, this is like a way to get, this is basically like a form of health insurance now, if you kind of look at it like that. Strongly agree, blood testing. Here's what he said. If labs is your core business, you need new business. He said HIMSS wants to get to the price of labs down to maybe $30 within 3 years and eventually offer it for free. I don't even know how they plan on doing that, but that is something. And so HIMSS, people, I think HIMSS does it. Very nice. Expects a $1 billion business. Partnership with Quest Diagnostic. Dude, I know Quest Diagnostics. They're everywhere. And they, oh my God, if you told me I had to go sit at Quest Diagnostic to get blood work on a Saturday, I would rather you just scratch out my eyeballs. That's how horrible it is to spend a day trying to get blood work at Quest Diagnostic. So now, if you can just get your blood drawn, oh my God, $199 a year, dude. That, I almost want to do this, but I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I just want to drop dead. I don't want anyone. I don't even care. But anyways, HIMSS, people. I love it. I love it. They should be at 70 on that news. Who cares? We're coming back up slowly but surely. I'm not worried about this market failing us. And then TNXP, when they start to announce their shit, the first non-opioid fibromyalgia drug in decades. So, very nice. Excellent, excellent. Everything will go back up, especially my sweet love human site, TNXP, MBot. Let's fucking do this damn thing, motherfuckers.